like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys already know by the title, what we are doing TikTok viral makeup trend. I was gonna just do it on TikTok, but I was like, why not turn it into a YouTube video? Duh. So that's what we're gonna do. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you think I should do next. And let's just get into the video. So guys, the first TikTok trend is to like do your eyebrows going upward. The thing is, I have a pretty normal eyebrow shape, so I'm gonna have to create that lift up eyebrows, and we don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we're gonna try it. So I lose literally all of my brow pencils because I like my brow kit. It's just, I don't know why I put them, because I'm disorganized like that. So now I'm just brushing my brows with the Benefit Cosmetic Brow Gel so that my brows can stay in place and not fake it move. Don't go nowhere. Pure. Okay. Yep, just like so. A product I am going to be using is the Brow Bar. It's so messy. But it looks like this, so I'm gonna use the brown shade, and we're gonna arc this eyebrow. So instead of following my natural brow, we're gonna obviously I do have my eyebrows here, so I'm just gonna like cut the brows, and then yeah, it's gonna look better once I clean it up. Okay, that same concealer that I use is the Camouflage elf Camo 16-hour concealer. So I'm just gonna put it here all over my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it. So this is trend number 1. I will give this 7 out of 10, only because I don't know, I'm not feeling it yet. I think it's because I only do have my eyebrows done, but this is a 7 out of 10 for me. Now I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyes is done. I keep it simple, I keep it cute, I keep it casual. So now the next trend on TikTok is the eyeliner. You have fox liner, cat liner, like it's a bunch of liner, and y'all know me, I don't really fuck with liners like that because this shit's fucking difficult AF. But we are going to be trying the cat liners, and yeah. Okay, cat eyes all done. So that was very difficult because I suck at eyeliner, and also I love like dramatic eyeliner. So but this is cute. I like cat eyes, like, oh. Okay guys, so the next trend, makeup trend, is the red lipstick. Putting it all over your face as blush, and I'm bringing it out, and then putting foundation, concealer. Before we do that though, let's prime. Footwear Beauty Hydrator. Put it all over my neck. Bring it down. Okay, now I have to find a red lips. That one, the Jeffree Star one. Oh god. Put it on my cheek, nose. Okay, this is blending very nicely. You in my business, don't do that. Honestly, the shit that I do for YouTube videos, it should be illegal. Also the next trend is to like lift your face, so we are lifting everything today, okay? So we put some here and the eye, and then right here to lift the face. Boom. Her. And then nose, duh. Please God, let's blend. Hold on, bitch. Oh my god. It looks so red. I don't know what's going on. It blending for her. It blend for her really nice. And mine is just like, I look like a goddamn clown. This is what I was afraid of. Okay. We're gonna keep going though. Like, I don't care. Bitch. I look red, I look pink, I look brown, I look burgundy. I don't know what color that is, but boo, it does not even match my neck. Oh my Lord, Jesus have mercy. I just want to know if that is how clowns feel, because I feel like a freaking clown right now. Is the lip trend. So basically, you grab your concealer, put it on your lip. I'm going to be using is the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette for this one. Okay, y'all. The lips, I don't know what's going on with the lips. I thought I was really gonna like the lips. Anyways, let's just finish it before I'm talking too much shit. So y'all, this is the finished look. This is how my face is looking right now. I don't know what's going on, but girl, I look pink as hell. So I'm just gonna be wearing all these viral trends. Like, I know that not every makeup technique works for everybody, but this was my experience. So the red lipstick and then apply foundation, no, we don't do that, okay? Over here in this page, we don't do that. So that's a 2 out of 10 for me. Like, I look pink, I don't understand, okay? And the foundation I used was the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. So no, that trend was enough for me. The eyebrows, I like the eyebrows. I'm feeling the eyebrows, you know, the whole lifted thing. It's cute. I like the vibe. The concealer, honestly, it didn't do much because of the whole red face. So I don't see it. I don't see the lift. I don't see it, okay? The cat liner, I like it. Like, purr. Bad bitch alert. I like that. We like a bad bitch alert. We like a bad bitch vibe. This was cute, okay? The lip, no. I don't know if I did it wrong, but no. We don't do that over here either. We don't do the slip, okay? Like, no. Okay, that's all I gotta say. No. That's on period. Purr. Anyways, y'all, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And I don't know what's going on. And I'll see my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed me having a freaking mental breakdown. Anyways, bye babies.